Hello students, I am from IVIS and here I am going to talk about some important rules to solve true, false, not given question task in IELTS reading. Rule number 1. Look for the keywords that can be paraphrased easily. Rule number 2. Proper noun like name, number and dates which help you to identify the location of answer easily. Rule number 3. If the statement is exactly same, then it is true. But if it is contradictory with the given information, then it is false. And finally, if the information is incomplete or no matching information, then definitely it is not given. One pro tip: you have at least one not given as your answer. Follow us for more tips and tricks. Thank you.